Hey guys, we was filling in some holes around here, me and the girls, and Hokey Pokey. But yeah, filling in this hole, and in this bucket, you see the water from when it rained. I seen this thing was sprouting, and I just thought it looked really cool on the inside. I just broke it. I don't know if y'all heard it, but anyway, kind of looks like a heart on the inside, huh? Hey, Yogi. But yeah, I just thought that was really cool. Little walnut tree. And thought it was kind of cool how it grows, like. Just right out the nut like that. Oh, you were gonna be the tip, I think. Yeah, a little plant was gonna be sticking through. Damn, sorry, guy. Dang. What's in there? So what's in there? Frog was full of water.